세자가 그 사상, 차가 세자가 나마 제가 처음부터 Now we are going to offer our tea and bread.
좋아, 뭐 얘기고 글자로 와. So today we are debating.
말이죠.
이건 몇 개요? 부모님.
지게까지.
So there's one
사이즈가 어떤
this
것도
side, there's two who are stuck in the back. You can kind of sit along here.
저런 게 대처럼 바꿔서
Just sit.
대충 정도 개조.
How's the sound? Good. So again, people who are sitting in the back, there's seats available on the sides.
제도 얘는 막 꿀렁죄가 되게 것을 위해 한양 동안 꿀렁냥 죄가 있다. 당분 나무 다스제 되게 부담시하는 남제 되게 나무 그룹에 되게 스나 관계도지 되게 상기주 방법이 이제는 수혜주 주주 남아야 거래 뭐라고 죄가 있어.
So to not waste our time, we're going to start right in with studying our motivation. And we're going to do it together, starting with the Pali words beginning with Namo, then the Sanskrit beginning with Buddha, then a verse in Tibetan, and then finally the refuge prayer. And we can recite it together, but we can also continue to have 15.
Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa buddham sharanam gacchami dharmam sharanam gacchami sangham sharanam gacchami buddham sharanam gacchami dharmam sharanam gacchami sangham sharanam gacchami buddham sharanam gacchami dharmam sharanam gacchami sangham sharanam gacchami. Namo Gurave, Namo Buddhaya, Namo Dharmaya, Namo Sanghaya. 관계 도세 예수네 나와 담죄 방배 담배 전에 된세와 권능대와 창세로 권의 교계 고단 나기를 권의 교계 소단 나기 권의 교계 도단 나기 대일매 주도 유로바라쇼 오일상계 전화 통일
전화가 창조하고 남이 나게 지상계
전환계 너라 변제 상계로 바라시고 상계
전화 통일 전화가
창조하고 남이 계속제
나게 지상계 전화가
너라 변제 상계로 바라시고 상계 전화 통일 전환과 창조하고 남이 계속제 나의 최신 계획 전환기 너라
현재 상계로
주 심제 남제 병화 매회
유나 백발 생제 감제 누나
눈바라게 유다 제와 유지
생제 감제 누나 내게
대화 메라와 유지
생제 감제 이제 차가 이가 안내와
유로제 내내 존내 대화 다시 대제 길고 담제 공간 위제 문화 인기 중에 상계
공주를 요새 아재 안나 기부지 개화냐와 내가 본의 공도 배워야죠
돈이 땅과
요새 아재 안나 기부지 개화냐와 내가 본의 공도
배워야죠 지세 남간내와 좋아 지세 내교 지세 남의 내교 저의 동안스러워야죠 대체 대화야죠 대대 동안 이루어지 대대 나와 대대 후배 남의 강실 이주마의 배처가 마의
So that was the preliminary of setting our motivation. And now we're going to start with the main. So for starters, I'm going to give a very brief introduction to Buddhism. So yesterday, working from the verse of Nagarjuna, where Nagarjuna says that he bows down to that Buddha who's abandoned all wrong views, that teacher who's abandoned all wrong views and has taught the Dharma. Elaborating from that, yesterday I spoke about how our teacher, Buddha Shakyamuni, taught the Dharma in various places in India, starting with Varanasi, and how he taught Sutra and Tantra and so forth. And yesterday also I explained how Buddhism spread to Tibet, starting with Songtsen Gampo in the 8th century, continuing and developing into the various traditions of Tibetan Buddhism with Nyingma Sakya Kagyu in the Kadamba and Gelugpa traditions, all the way down to us now, where we receive it from His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama, the embodiment of Chinese Buddhism. And yesterday also I explained how the entire Buddha Dharma, the entire teachings of the Buddha are distilled into the Four Noble Truths, and how the entire practice of Buddhism is distilled into the practice of that fourth noble truth, the truth of the path, that one must meditate upon the path. And that, in meditating upon the path, in its essence can be summarized in the three trainings.
이제 겨울 부수서 제 시에 가라 라고 주집니다 가다 rangi semni yonsu duru shirka kabla laba tingzi laba shirka laba de shirka yins.
And I also spoke about how the Buddha summarized all of this in this sutra verse where he says, commit no negative actions, accumulate virtue, train your own mind. This is the teaching of the Buddha. The first two lines where it says, commit no negative actions and accumulate virtue, those two lines are within the three trainings. That's the training in ethics. Then that third line where the Buddha says, train your own mind, that encapsulates the latter two trainings, the training in concentration and the training in wisdom.
대체. 다 됐네. lama 원래 장례기 쌤들에게 아니 냠네 딩마디 쪼데 라바 딩징 라바다 셰르 라바디 이마레 아니 딘제기 자 딩징 라바라 삼딩 라바 양스리 거리 다 딘제기 딩징 라바 삼딩 라바 대다 셰르 라바 대라 아니 탱맹 경험도 제가 태진 경험도 제가 태진와야 노유 경험도 제가 마 경험도 제가 소리오리스.
So when we really get right down to it, that what actually allows us to train our mind, it's concentration and wisdom. Where the training in concentration can also be referred to as training in samadhi, and the training in wisdom can be broken down doxographically into the Hinayana training, the Mahayana training, and the Mahayana path in turn can be divided into the Sutra and the Tantra.
That is the 띵인생기 라바다 셰르 라바라 아니 태파치르 온도 땅네 투문기 동안 투문기 동안에 태파치르 온도 제네 셰르 이마이나 제사가 아니 something 라바 아니 something 라바데 so something 파치기 거기래 셰르 라바데 so 뚱유도 셰르 거데 뚱유도 셰르 라바데 아니 장주 셈기 셈베 거네 something 라바데 so 장주 셈라 냠내지에디 세지도 상상에 장주 셈라 냠내지에디 장주 셈기 셈베 아니 셈베 셈보다 장주 셈기 셈베 도미도베 셰르데 파치 셰르데 라와 대지도 모르 셰베 셰르데 라와 소디레스.
And so when we talk about the training in concentration and the training in wisdom from a Mahayana perspective, then if, again, even though Mahayana can be broken down into Sutra and Tantra, if we give a general presentation in common to both of those, then the concentration, when we talk about the training in concentration, that's within the 6 perfections, the perfection of concentration. And then when we talk about the training in wisdom, that's the practicing the view of emptiness, and particularly here, the idea is that we develop a one-pointed, spontaneous understanding of bodhicitta, an experience of bodhicitta, and then that our view of emptiness is joined by, supported by that experience of bodhicitta, so that the view of emptiness is held up by the experience of bodhicitta.
쌤 들지기 다 양링기 인포테 대지도 공부다나 삼대기 파친다 시를 파치려도 봐 딘데기 삼대기 양랭게 아니 주주시자 제마이나 루게와 삼대기 루세 테니스 파레스 시를 파치때 양랭시다 소디 주주다나 루고와 시를 들리는 파레스.
And so, again, if we talk about really training our mind in terms of concentration and wisdom from a Mahayana perspective, if we look at this in terms of how to present it in Shantideva's Guide to the Bodhisattva's Way of Life, his 8th chapter is what explains the training in concentration, and the 9th chapter is what explains the training in wisdom.
Today, when you do, something labata, something things in the labata, share
For that reason, if we're going to try to understand the concentration and wisdom from a Mahayana perspective, a good way of going about this is to delve into the 8th and 9th chapters of the Bodhicaya Avatara, the guide to the Bodhisattva's way of life. So, again, from a Mahayana perspective, when we look at that verse where the Buddha says, train your own mind, what actually does the training of our mind, what subdues our mind, is bodhicitta in the view of emptiness. And here, if we look at how it's taught by Shantideva in the Guide to the Bodhisattva's Way of Life, in that first verse of the concentration chapter, Shantideva says that one should go to an empty place and settling one's conceptual thoughts, meditate one pointedly on bodhicitta, which shows us that here it is bodhicitta itself that one must cultivate. So again, when we really distill practice down, like what is the essential practice? It's the practice of bodhicitta and the practice of emptiness. And this we can also see in the teachings and actions of His Holiness, the embodiment of Avalokiteshvara. In his teachings, even though he's taught so extensively on Sutra and Tantra, you can see that the essence of his teachings are bodhicitta and the view of emptiness. And that His Holiness has himself taken this on as his responsibility to uphold the practice of bodhicitta and the view of emptiness. And the great Nyingma teacher, Dogo Kensei, at one point requested His Holiness to compose a praise, at which point His Holiness spoke a verse where the pith of the verse is that the essence of the path is the unity of is the path which is the unity of emptiness and compassion. And that the one who is clarified is the one who has made this flourish. That is the Jigitapura, is the Lord of the teachings.
gyawa tenzi kyazo jedesi yigengi gyawa jedesi gyawa tenzi kyazo las
is none other than Avalokiteshvara, the embodiment of Avalokiteshvara, His Holiness Buddha.
sowa deso shedu runtuso sowa takuyos matsu ki sambe de gyawa rumchi ki matsu sambe de tamje kanyi mebe tuwa tuwa sho senpolo gyawa.
And one should beseech that our aspirations be fulfilled by this embodiment.
어디 제가 이
Again, the Gyubu Rinpoche,
말을
Vishnu Khyentse Rinpoche.
그 계속 야시 야우 코로나 제가 코로나 비이스
Yes.
세차서 어야 어디 되지 디디 알아서 최 미세나 최냐면 저번에 냐면 지금 신야 되죠 냐면 조가 인도가
So while practice is important, it's essential that we understand which practice is essential. We identify the essential point.
어떤 때부터 주소와 다 됐네 된다에 상기기 최 대다 최 콜로 콜샤베기 숨대기 제자 되게 통마를 숨기는데 소리에서 나자고 되버리 말해.
So when we talk about this Dharma teachings and this turning of the Dharma wheel, the first person to have taught it, to have turned the wheel of the Dharma, is Shakyamuni Buddha.
야, 다 됐네. 나저 되버서야 돼. 아니 간지제에 나와 쉬는 거야. 맞아 엄마 내가 계속 돈을 줬어요. 내가 상기 좀 내기 끝에라. 내가 이도 와. 영락이 말하면서 갸하다 네팔다 히말라야에서 영락 되나 정된데 아니 지금 뭐가서 상기에 내가기 아니 꼭 도저되는 여기까지 대드레스는 도와 아야 정된데 꼭 가시 와라나스에 제시하게 되잖아 대대 도와 도다 뭐네 제가 대대라고 요거는 대대라고 써요 제가 어제서 꿈이라고 이 지금 뭐부터 상계가 이스 아니 상대 띵인들은 영어샤 스타가 상대의 시험을 영어샤 스티 아 꾸치게 돼서 아니 대바시 꾸치로와 꾸치기 나로라 대대로 시켜 도세 디 차조와 차의 도세 꾸주수 상고요와 대지의 손이 아 원래 제기의 손시되게 대바시 상고 그래 저도 대바시를 때문에 꾸주수를 껴서
So if we talk about our teacher, what is our teacher? What is our teacher like? Notice how, maybe you've noticed this yourself, how there's actually two widespread iconographic representations of the Buddha. One is the one that's very widespread in India, in Nepal, where the Buddha is sitting upon the seat of enlightenment at Vajrasana, and his hands are in the mudra of equipoise in his lap, and the Buddha is in equipoise on the perfection of concentration and wisdom. The other statue you see, the Buddha is at Varanasi, and he has the mudra of teaching the Dharma, as is being shown right here, where the lower four fingers represent the Four Noble Truths of the left hand, the upper three fingers of the right hand represent the three jewels. And what this is teaching us is that we go to refuge by way of understanding and reflecting on the Four Noble Truths. So for us, usually that's all we think of When we think of Shakyamuni Buddha, we either think of the Buddha sitting in equipoise upon attaining awakening, or we think of this image of the Buddha teaching the Dharma. But that, if we actually read the collection of the Buddhist sutras, what's called the Gangyur, then you'll find that it's not limited to just that. We can actually identify between 5 or even 7 distinctive attributes of the Buddha, which I want to tell you a little about.
Buddha is the great scholar, educated.
So this is something I really want to emphasize and I really want you to pay attention to. That if you really read the collection of sutras, the Gangyur, you see that the Buddha was extremely erudite, that had incredible qualities and was a great scholar.
And great scientists and great mental scientists.
So if you read the collection of sutras and you really study it, what you find is the Buddha was also there's an extraordinary presentation of Buddhist science, and particularly of the Buddhist science of the mind, such that we can see from this that the Buddha was also a great scientist and a great psychologist.
Hindu issue Buddha Shakyamuni 세월에 때문에 대상 캐릭터와 경리 이민이 수로와 제가 네이버에도 코란 가리어를 하나 great ahimsa and taking the one.
And also, if you pay attention in what's actually said in the collection of sutras, you see that the Buddha, in his own personal conduct, would practice and embody non-violence. And again and again, you can see how this conduct embodied what we call ahimsa, or the practice of non-violence. So much so, in fact, that even Hindus and Christians did generally acknowledge that the Buddha was an exemplar of non-violence, even those people who don't necessarily take refuge in him.
Oh yeah. Shaya toba chumde degi susu nyamne ya kunamne lamdur nyamne ya kunamne mishe da ya lupsu jawo chmoyina lapcha hale badriyo. Dede ke kasure ngeji dede tibuen dede zabali la ketaya ba. Dena shingi scientist dege ya chumde degi dultim de jana sikwa. Hale badu tim soda. Dede yo chumde degi milaya timachi diche People masa, gyawasa, dukja mache, yakuche, dendeki, labja gayala, and from the shoes gaya. Labja dendula ya karilare, lupsu riba. Lupsu riba di, chomden di sunabla, tabikna, shuyo. Dendeki lupsu riba katone, kese shayana, chomden di, and lupsu riba mawa chumui pare. Injinala great advisor.
And so also, we see that additionally, alongside his own practice, that the Buddha was extraordinary in his ability to give the right advice, that he would advise people on precisely what they should do and shouldn't do, what was virtuous, what was non-virtuous, negative and positive. such that we can also see that here, as Geshe-la said, the Buddha was an extraordinary advisor.
Then, yeah, Kangur Genjo Nala, yes, Maram Suchura, the Namji Ship, and intelligent wisdom, the day Nichi Made, and Sangi Sura Lojon Che, in Sakuma Che, Totukoro Lojon Chena, Tachum then they get Totuk Nashi, Kevashi, Sushi Gam, Sunturia Mare. Totuk Tanjik Nadi, Ningur Dua, Injungi, our like the Deshi, she has to come to Sunturia Mare. Hapar to Sama and Shebe, Eugene Tower or Keshana, Numeriki, Rese, Tunito, and our Dinde Sukam Sunturia Mare. Jongden de Yati, the Rega, Jongden de Totuton, Totumawa Chamo, Injikerea, great philosopher.
And so also from the Kangur we can see, if we actually study the Kangur, applying our own, taking a rigorous analytical perspective and looking at what's actually being said, we see that the Buddha developed an extraordinary view, that the view of dependent arising that the Buddha taught in the sutras, no one else has ever been able to articulate a view like this. He was one of a kind. And not only this, but from a tantric perspective as well, where we start talking about the view of the perceiving subject, then the Buddha was the one who introduced the luminosity of the innate mind. And no one else has ever been able to point to this feature of our mind.
Oh yeah, did not achieve. Not to what the Yamas take a Kangur de Zo, Rojon Che, Kangur give both Sutara Jana Nala, Gom Gatam for Kanaka Sundu, Chimchu Che. Then it Tandara Nala, Kangur give Tandara Nala, Gom Gatam, Kanaka Sundu, Chimchu Che. Chimchu Che was Koran is Sumanashi, Koraya, Gom Gani, Setu Katsure, Buddha Siddha Nala, Shuchi Sundua, Shea, Nara Pechanala Yuri. Koran gave Gom Gatam, the Mishena, Love. Rua, Javana, Tuji Giju, and it bear Nalenda, Ponti to Judu, and it Tuji Giju, Per Nalena, Yingme Gomche, Pergu Gomche, Saja Gomche, Per Guru Gomche, A Gom Jan, and Chatole, and it bear Tbilisi, Sangi, Mabudu, which is a Melanda way of Gomche and Gomche. Or that they did out on a day on the Jongling Digi, Chur, Gomdi. Ha, level da, right? The day you make this about Jumde de Gomcho Chambi, Ijinala, great meditator.
And so likewise, if you take the time to look in the collection of the sutras and just assess just how much the Buddha taught about meditation, and likewise take the time to actually look at what the Buddha said in the tantras about meditation, the extraordinary amount of material that he gave us on how to meditate. And not only that, if you pay attention to how people have been able to put this into practice, the achievements of meditators of the past, the great pundits of Nalanda, the great Mahasiddhas, the great meditators of the Nyingma and Sakya traditions, the great Lupa meditators, and of course the meditator beyond all meditators, Milarepa. You can see how extraordinary, the extraordinary accomplishments, meditation accomplishments that have come out of the Buddha's teachings. So much so that we can also say that the Buddha was a great meditator.
딱 공도 시에 계주 뒤 대배 토네 아니 신에 자벌기 되나 지나 최신기 떠봐 망부 중요래 힌두요 이슈요 같이 요래 되게 최신기 떠봐 망부 요래 떠봐 단적으로 소리는 다 신고 말다 로 소리는 때문이나 배나 마이네는 가서 디 가서래 마이네 라이프 컨퍼런스에 지요라 자벌기나 디 기라치모리 소비요 게다가 자원지 순배 배배 개와 아니 남배 개와 아니 수종원 모던기 사이언스 토네 아니 필로소피 데딩 토네 개와 냥도 송수서야 되라 마이네 라이프 컨퍼런스 거래 오디나 페이지기 로스 데베 개와 주체되게 뭔데 잡을린라 최시기 때가 뭐 중샤스 얘네 때가 디 나네 다들 나네 민다와 다자기 때가데 개월도 파고지 레샤 세네 원하는 거 대대리 말이다 최케데마다 내가 네가 돈에 다자기 때가데 샤나를 때가이마 계획여자 다자기 때가데 때가 처음이 그래 대대리 말이도 그레이트 안에 가서 그랬다 때가 가서 Oh, the great teacher, teachers, great masters. I can't think teach teachers. I cannot call it.
And so, possessing these 7 attributes, we can see how the Buddha stands out when we look at the religions of the world. The Buddha really stands out. And here, this is, when we compare it on the field of world religions among Hindus, Muslims, Christians, and so forth, not speaking from a sectarian perspective or a biased perspective, but just looking at these attributes that the Buddha had, we can see that the Buddha really does stand out as extraordinary. And for instance, we see how over the past many years, Buddhists and non-Buddhists have held conferences called Mind Life Conferences, where His Holiness the Dalai Lama and other Buddhist teachers, alongside and Geshe himself has also attended these several times. And at these conferences also, non-Buddhist Western scientists and philosophers attended and had dialogues about Buddhism. And many of the scientists and Western scholars there who weren't particularly committed to Buddhism came out of these dialogues with the and their sort of assessment of it was just how extraordinary the Buddha was. And they of course weren't speaking from a narrowly Buddhist perspective. And so what we can see from this is that the Buddha is a great master. The word teacher doesn't do justice to just how extraordinary it was.
Oh yeah, 제가 당에 결합소야 그걸 치우치 주고요. 당나라서 지를 남바다 하고도야 들은 미숙사집에 남바지 치우래. 들은 미숙사집에 남바지 치기나 견제 들은 미숙사집에 남바지 치기 미디기 때가 상에 좀된 데라 아니 지기 연내 좀된 데에서 로로 상당데 다가 공두시에 캐주 누인다 때에 때가 지레샤 삼로당나 아니 셈래야 문에 전에 지기 연된 동네 ton에 대화기도 지나 먼저 때가 다가 스테리 슈기니 지레도 때문에 전에 셔나를 때버리샤 삼네 그 캐주 연대 이제 시에 대화토야 대화토도야이 때버지 자 셔나버려 어딘지 정말 나중에 때가 서로 딘지 캐주 딘딩이 때버리 같이 삼로당토나 약도 우스비시고요.
So I have a request for you, is that as Buddhists, and particularly if you're going to be Buddhists of this time, 21st century Buddhists, that means actually understanding what makes the Buddha distinctive. So thinking about, if you think about the way in which the Buddha possessed these 7 distinctive attributes, then through seeing those good qualities, you'll have the kind of faith that comes out of actually seeing the Buddha's good qualities. And so that otherwise, you don't want to just have this image of the Buddha who's just some guy who's sitting there, in these various positions. You want to actually understand what makes the Buddha distinctive.
Oh yeah, other decisions, other decisions. Again, at the bottom, the Baniga, Mojo, Chess, and Ins, Dutich. The bottom, the Baniga, number sign, the bottom, number sign, the Baniga, Mojo, Dutich, Ins, Tamago, Mushi.
So that completes a brief introduction to both the teaching and the teacher. And so now we're going to turn to the main practice.
Oh, yes. That Gommushi Jayate, Kasanazo, Changu Senko. 이 다음에 아니 먼저 다시 당부 사제 당부 다시 양보 공부사 사제 이바 아니 라지지 교사가 사 내내 사제 시바 가서 사제 수바 시행진진 교육에 상관없이 도두지 가서 쉬어봐 나타내 dimbutu 쉬네 그렇게
So we're picking up the main subject of the meditation on bodhicitta, and particularly with the practice of equalizing and exchanging self, a particular method for generating bodhicitta. And yesterday, within the 5 steps of this practice, the first step, which was equalizing self and other, we've already finished. And we finished the second step, which is reflecting on the faults of self-cherishing. And we've also completed the third step, which is reflecting on the benefits of cherishing others. And we're picking up from here.
Oh yeah. That in the such a suba, she changing the sapa sayela, do you come yet? Give a chipagina, one show some of yours. Penathan she changing the person shadow, Ramle she catch our one. Shanghai never visited Sama says to one. They are changing the law. And Shanghai never visited Sama say Tarana, Yende Kadu say Samtana. Shanghai never cheated me, somebody Yorina. Shanghai never cheated Lega, Luki Gone, Soja Majama Leva, Loyem, Anichi, Michel Lokemche. 마도 그런 주의 자가 지수 나게체 이게 거네 납세문에서 불렀다 된제기 또 불렀다 큰 되게 미شه 납세문에서 또 강다 시에는 내가 지에기 내가 이거 미디어 쭉 찾는다 이거 미디어 쭉 찾에 시에는 내가 지에기 자와 내 당제 까도스 아니 깜소나 까베기 선언다 까베 개와데 가수요. 좋아. 대대리도 시행진생기 나오네 차시지. 시행 개척을 따라 시행은 네번 미치면 삼아서요. 대대주요나야 시행은 네번 자화당지 까부야기 연된 대대도 우선 삼아당야 도와서 뒤치체.
So with this, now focusing in again on that third stage of the meditation, reflecting on the benefits of cherishing others. We discussed this briefly yesterday, but it's in fact a very extensive topic. So as we mentioned, another way of thinking about this is that if we can, when we cherish others over ourselves, we can also, there's the practice of non-harm comes out of that attitude. So from the attitude of cherishing others more than oneself, one can resolve to not harm others. And that practice of non-harm itself blocks all of the various non-virtues. We can think, even though it's not confined to the non-virtues that we have in the traditional list of 10 non-virtues, such as killing, stealing, sexual misconduct, for physical negative actions, and negative verbal actions of lying and gossip and slander and so forth. And it also blocks the mental negative actions of covetousness and malice. Whether it actually blocks the negative mental non-virtue of wrong views remains to be seen, but nevertheless, just by having that attitude of non-harm, it stops us from having these non-virtues. And as a result of refraining from non-virtue, just think about the incredible virtue and merit that comes out of that.
시행진생기 배수행이 나오나 이번에 시행 개척을 따면 권에 시행아 평가적인 상황 이 시행진생체 콜라 차이니 시행 개척을 따면 권에 시행아 평가적인 상황라 시행 동네에 대해서 싸운다 시행의 동네 시행 심지어 동네 배나 동네 대바시기 나는 동네 대바도서 시행 심지어는 류기 동네 심기 동네 동네기 동네 교류 동네 차고도 주기 동네 동네 주 동네계 전체 여당들도 선물하고 땅에 아주 말라 되게 동네지 좋아해나 말라 그거 믿도 말 그거 매워나시 신심제 코로나야 되게 동네지 좋은 그 말에 신심제 탐제 동네를 제와니 지금이 동네를 제와니 동네를 제대로 보내 패바디 네 지금 사회 님지수와 딴 님지되나야 중중 등부 최고요라 되게 님지 중중 등부 제제기 아니 연대에서 성당용도 대도 참아 신진생이가 되라고 제가 신진생이 연대 상수도 님지 연대니까 막 성당용이나 할래 와 아니면 뒤집지
And so that was the first benefit of cherishing others. The second is just thinking about the benefit that comes from benefiting others. When we talk about this attitude of benefiting or bringing happiness to others, there's really two here to focus on. The first one, this is the attitude of wanting to remove their suffering. So here you can just think about, apply all of the discussion of suffering that are discussed in the context of the First Noble Truth and apply that to others. So think about how all beings or other beings are afflicted by mental suffering, physical suffering, how they experience the three kinds of suffering, the suffering of change, and pervasive suffering, how they undergo the 6 kinds of suffering, the 8 kinds of suffering, and so forth. And then just think that just as it's totally overwhelming when I experience this, it's also horrible that they have to undergo this. And with that thought, then you have this spontaneous desire to free them from suffering. And that's what we call compassion. And of course that compassion, which of course there can be a lesser levels of compassion, medium and greater levels of compassion, but that compassion is itself a form of cherishing others. So all of the good qualities that we attribute to compassion are also qualities that come from cherishing others.
죄송아. 나 때문에 시행진생이 나라 자식이 가벼울라나 아니 잡아 시행은 니베 자벨로 다 시행은 자벨로 쓰도 시행이야 대화 도움도 돼 뒤난데 아니 시행이야 류기 대화면도 시행이야 생기 대화면도 시행이야 내도 대화면도 시행이야 탐도 대화면도 도시에 대화면도 상득 학원도에 심지 아니면 라마가 슈가 말하면서 랭경기 샤완적이 코르 심지 수수기고 되돌아 라마가 슈가 되돌아 자주세로 통원을 위해 대화 되대요 말 자주세로 통원 면제가 조람 예지 되어요 말 조람 면제가 통원 예지 되어요 말 통원 면제가 고마 예지 되어요 말 고마 면제가 상기기 되어요 말 Today 심지어 탐제와 상기기 대화 라라메베 대화 여러분에서 용말. Today 말이가 아지 심지어도 today 대화 싸우기도 믿어. 딱 말하는 거는 심지어 대화가 내가 대화 탐제 저도가 지기. 탐도기 대화 상기기 대화세야 라라메베 대화도 예저 지기. 등등 싸우는 코리온데 심지어 대화가 되면 거는 팬다기 상상이 잘 그래서 오늘때가 자바스도 딱 자바나 자바 충분히 잡수. 대소 레리 연대에서 사모타용데 대소 상마 시행시들이 되죠.
And so another facet of this is the desire to give others happiness, which is what we call love. And so here one can just look about whether beings have happiness. So when we reflect on how other beings don't have physical happiness, they don't have mental happiness, they don't have any temporary happiness, they certainly don't have any ultimate happiness. And that of course applies to all ordinary beings, but you can keep on going and think about how ordinary beings don't have the happiness that bodhisattvas on the path of accumulation have. And they don't, then everyone below the path of preparation don't have the happiness that comes from the path of preparation. Every being who has not yet attained the path of seeing lacks the happiness that comes from the path of seeing. Everyone below the path of meditation lacks the happiness that comes from the path of meditation. everybody, every sentient being lacks the ultimate happiness of complete enlightenment. And with this thought, then one has the desire to give others happiness, to bring happiness to others, temporary happiness and ultimate happiness, and the supreme happiness of awakening. And so that mindset which wants to give others happiness, this love, of course itself has gradations of small, medium, and greater levels of love. And each of these gradations, of course, have all their own excellent qualities that come with them. And all of those qualities are also the benefits of cherishing others.
This one, Oya, teaching. Tanda Kundu Shevi Shenjin Chashi Redua, Yala Redua, Yuzu Dom Gani, Shenjin Sidua, Odi, Yamia Kundana, Susu Yamu Tona Habuandi, Yodegor, Kariorana, Shenjin Layati, Chojine, Manzuki Sengi Nara, Aniti, Shenjin Sabasajova. Sendinara, Shannon, the Mitchell, Saba, Shannon, Temperature, Sabasova, did a change in Sabati, Seba Yahoo, Seba Sambo, the change is the change in the Chicka, Seba Sambo.
And so, if we then distill this down into our own experience and sort of consolidate it, then also the attitude of cherishing others, one of the qualities, one of the benefits is that we develop a kind attitude. We have a kind mind. That attitude of cherishing others results in us ourselves having a positive or kind mind.
This one. I changed the Yamia Cheta, Pena Niela Polya did the glass room. Just glass Kishigo, the Chilo, and Nalo, the Chilo, something to dinner. She changing the somewhere Yaku, Sepa the Sama, Sepa Yama Beba, Sengi Nalaya, Chick, Gilgis, and a chap, Gedeva, Tijibedeva, Sepa the Bed, Shema. Number Tamachi. These are the changing the chicken, same number.
And so another, again, if we sort of look at this in our own experience, another benefit of cherishing others is that our own mind becomes pure. So looking at the glass that Geshe-la has in his hand, from the outside you can see the inside, from the inside you can see the outside. It's completely unobstructed, unsullied, and clear. And that through the attitude of cherishing others, our minds too become completely pure, completely clear, not sullied by attachment and negative thoughts.
Okay. That changes in Yamu Cheda, Yamu Chikari, changes in somebody, Chitangi, Seva Sambo Yamato Mase, Sendi Indela, Ninto. Juju Narola, Anime, Ninjela, Anish, the Zuki, and then Shadow, Castle Jatua, Castle Kadi, those from Yoruba, in a Castle dignity, but Pumata, then wishes to one. Castle dignity, Odinashi, Ninjela, changes, Saba, Yakujikira, Sengin Nala, Ninto Temperature, Warriors, Roll dignity. Nye, Sinji Shink Tadala, Maran, Sopaway, Andy, get down totally, said the bloody new Domiore. So, the day you do, Ramdu Shuchoy, so because Nicoyomar. Ramdu Shuchurch, Lower Pasha, Tamadilla, Liberation of Mardu. Changing the Sapota, Kazamaka, Liberation, Pasha, Tadoro, Dicho. Ye meeting Tata Dugo, ye big guy Tata Dugo, ye gave up Tata Dugo, ye Zamana Tata Dugo, Zamani Shiva yes so, Simja Tante, Papa Game Dugo, Simja Tante Saki Sal, Ye Gurus, Dundaki, Nindo, Loto, Simshuchi Gagores. This changing thing there. These are Jujuna, Chisinaka never, towards native. This is done in native. To the Massa. You need to connect it. 지세 나가 마세이 봐도 내 생각이 된도기라 님도기 가능하고 라진생 리고 여러배 신진생로 신진생로 내가 신진생스야데 님도 하대봐 그렇지.
So again, if another benefit is if you really practice cherishing others, not only does your mind become kind and positive, you become courageous. And so an example that's given is like an ocean where the waves on top of the ocean are disturbed, but the depths of the ocean are unshakable. Likewise, if you cherish others, in the depths of your mind, your courage is unassailable. And so that through the practice of cherishing others, you get to the point where you have this courageous attitude that I'll give my life for others. Whereas a selfish person never gets that kind of courage. And instead, someone with a selfish, self-centered attitude ends up feeling depressed. Whereas if you cherish others, someone who cherishes others becomes less and less depressed and more courageous. So much so that they get this completely courageous attitude of if it's benefiting one person, I'm gonna help them, or 100 people, I can help 100 people, or if it's the entire country, I can do that. I'll benefit this country, or if it's globally, I'll do that. I'll take care of the whole world, or I'll lead all sentient beings to awakening. And that's what we see in that verse from the Bodhicharyavatara, where Shantideva says that I shall remain for as long as space remains. What do you think that attitude comes from? Do you think that saying that I'll remain as long as space remains comes out of a self-cherishing attitude, or does it come out of the courage that comes from cherishing others? So, just taking this example of the flower that I have in my hand. Right now, it looks nice and pretty to you, but how about when it becomes old and moldy?
Didn't let for champagne and drone, Miss Biro. But the people you cut it, Tadaka from Jelaya, Losu, Nature Mapuchi, Gauchene, Gaucho Tom Mudua. And Gaucho Depression Child, Europa, the chance of Katu in the Todama, Dua. The Katis child, she just what did you say?
So, like that flower, we can just think about it in terms of your own appearance, your demeanor, how you seem to other people. When we have a self-cherishing attitude, just thinking, me all the time. Oh, I'm overwhelmed. I'm having troubles. They did this to me, and you constantly have that self-cherishing attitude. Then out of your mouth comes nothing but negativity, and your actions too end up end up harming others. So that you exude nastiness. Whether it's your appearance, your actions, everything becomes nasty. Whereas when you cherish others, then it's like the flower, like from the very root of the flower, it's just blooming outward. When you have that self-cherishing, that cherishing others attitude in your mind, then you exude this positive demeanor, such that when you greet others, everything you say is positive. You ask how they're doing. You tell them that if they need anything, they can ask you. And even your demeanor becomes more pleasing and more beautiful. And this is something this is real. This is empirical. Even for myself, when I was young, I was a fairly angry person. But through doing just a little bit of bodhicitta practice, I've noticed the difference. But setting aside myself, look at a real example, like His Holiness the Dalai Lama, where for his entire life he's done nothing but benefit other beings. He's done nothing but be kind to other beings, always having a smile for other beings. And he's there surrounded by friends. Everyone has a positive connection with him. So much so that we really can't even fathom the possibility that His Holiness would be depressed.
Oh yeah.
Where does